Hello guys, today are going to talk how do I keep, what do I do to have my every job organized, okay? All the jobs that we receive by mail, walk-in customers. So I'm going to show you right now what I'm using, okay? I used to use, a couple years back, I used to do it in this kind of bins, okay? We used to put it in the bin. As you can see here, we have 1, 2. We used to have it like this, 3. This used to be full, and then we were taking like one by one, then the next one. That's how we used to keep the jobs before, okay? The inconvenience with this is that it takes a lot of space. If you have a lot of repairs, it's going to take a lot of space, okay? Also, it's not easy. It's not convenient because you cannot read the name of the person or what is the issue. So one day I was changing the oil for my car, and I saw like the mechanic, in order to take the order, they print the paper and they use this. It was something similar to this. So I don't know if it was the same brand, but when I see this, I say, hey, hold on. This is great idea. Why? Because they put the order here, and then here they put something, and they can put the big paper on the back. So I say, okay, I was trying, I look on Google every place for pockets. I says, I have to find something, and I found this one. The convenience with this one is it has a small pocket here, okay, a small pocket and a big pocket there. They're two separate pockets, okay? So what I do, when I print the invoice, I put it in half. So you can see here, the invoice, this is just an example. I put my name there. So see, this is my name. So this is only an example so you guys can see. This is how we print the receipts. Okay, this is how we print the receipts. Doesn't matter if you don't read the letters, because the intention is not for you to read the letter. It's just so we double in half, and then this half can go straight to the envelope, okay, to the pocket envelope. So what happens is, when I hang out on the wall, I can every time that I'm going to do a repair, I can see the name of the customer, okay, what is the model of the phone, the serial number, if they have a password, I can go straight and I know exactly what is the issue. So I don't have to like grab the paper. I just get the envelope, read, and I say, okay, this is going to be the issue. Go take the envelope and start the repair. Usually what we do here is, so this, we use it for this. In the same one that we have this in the small pocket, we hold the screws and everything here. We tape on a piece of paper. We put the board there. And the phone or the tablet, that's a good thing because the tablet fit here completely on the back part. Okay? So what we do is we disassemble all the phones first. We have it there, and then I only have to like repair everything. You know, everything is already disassembled. Okay, so that's what we do here. See, two pockets. So we have the phone or the tablet on the back. You see, here is fine. So we can use the other part here. Now we put this part. And this is how it goes to my wall. Okay. Oops, I don't want you guys to see here. It's right there. Okay, it's right there, so you can see. Let me show you where do I get this. This is not cheap, but it's just the idea. At least if you can find something cheaper, it's good. This is the company from where I'm getting this, Uline. This is they have very good product. These bins are the same from Uline. It's right there. You can see the frame is Uline also. So the bin, I'm sorry, this bin is also from Uline. Okay, so I'm going to show you let me show you from where you can get it. This is dual pocket job ticket holder. You see there, okay, 9x12. This is the model number S12324, 9x12. Front pocket, your back pocket is 9x12. Front pocket is 9x6 inches. Okay, it comes in a package of 50. These are the prices. As I say, if this is too expensive for you guys, you can look for, at least you have an idea. You are going to have an idea now what you can use. Okay, I hope you guys, this video is helpful for you, and this is going to help you a lot to have all the jobs organized. Okay, I have it in my wall, everything by name. Let's say I have in repair customers, ready to close. I have one line that it says ready to close. Why? Because after I finish the repair, I just put it there, ready to close. So that means they have to assemble the whole board and close the phone. I have also one for investigation, special orders. Have a couple that says ready. When they're ready, their full test and everything closed. I have some hangs that says ready. I have some for in repair website and ready website. Okay, this is an idea so you can have it, and hope everybody can enjoy this video, and at least is going to be helpful for you guys. Thank you. See you next time.